yeah, that makes sense.
I'm off cloud. It's like a dot now. Oh.
I'm taking a video to pass time.
Where'd it go?
I'm so bored, I just want to get on a ride.
Okay, it's officially gone.
I'm just passing my time by taking a video of the hurricane. I'm going to take a picture, or take a video of the zipper later.
It's officially gone. Oh, we lost another one.
Oh boy. Please hang on to the balloon. Oh my gosh, is the hurricane gonna go shh anytime? Thank you. See, it is a good pastime.
Hurricane go bouncy bounce.
It's bouncy! I have to keep this as still as possible while walking, and my hand's really shaky. It's so weird how it looks completely different from a video in real life. It looks so much better in real life. Really?
Yeah, the conversion itself.
I would trade you for my iPod now, but I have terrible songs on that.
I don't like iPods. Got it?
Hurricane's so pretty. Can I go on that next? Oh. Games and hurricane? Cool.
Maybe we can wait for games after we're done eating dinner. So I'm not sure if I have enough money. I'm not sure what's in the bed though.
Or we could go on that hurricane and then find out like how much it costs.